Want to add an extra layer of privacy to Google Chrome? While Chrome doesn't include a built-in password lock for the browser itself, you can use a browser extension to help protect access to your browsing activity. Here's how. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Extensions, and select NESME Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Browser Lock-in and press Enter. Open the extension from the results and click Add to Chrome. Then choose Add Extension Day to install it. Once the extension is installed, click the extensions icon near the top right corner of Chrome and select Browser Lock. Choose Chan, Open Settings, and click Start Now. You'll be asked to create a free account and set up a browser password. This is the password you'll use whenever Chrome is locked. So choose something secure but easy for you to remember. After registration, make sure Browser Lock is enabled. It's also a good idea to turn on Auto Lock, which automatically locks Chrome when you close the browser or after a period of inactivity. Once everything is set up, close Chrome and reopen it. The next time someone tries to access your browser, they'll be asked to enter the password before they can continue. A simple way to add extra privacy to your Chrome browser and help keep your browsing activity protected. Thanks for watching.